everybody, and thanks for joining us for another Whitfield's food review. Oh, I can't do the thing. We are testing out our new setup in our new vehicle as we are at Chick Fil A because they now have all-day chicken minis, and that sounded exciting.
So it looks like it's limited time though.
Oh, really?
Which is really stupid.
I thought maybe it was just a new thing.
It should be a new thing. Maybe they're testing it to see how it does.
Ooh, maybe we're a test market. But either way, chicken minis, which used to only be served
in the morning.
Well, I thought those were chicken biscuits.
No, chicken minis.
Okay, I don't know what the hell chicken minis are. Either way, I'm looking forward to it. We have never in the history of Whitfield's Food Review done a Chick-fil-A review that wasn't just a slushie. We did a milkshake one time. We have yet to ever do a Chick-fil-A chicken product. So, I'm hungry. All right, so that is our little chicken minis. Now we didn't get any honey, but Jen says okay because it's got honey butter on it. But it does say to dip or not to dip. That is the question. I guess we don't get that choice.
This is probably what they normally put their chicken nuggets in.
So 4-pack of that was like $3.59, so a little less than $1 a piece. They're small, but it's basically like a nugget on some bread.
The bread doesn't seem as sweet as it used to be. Because they put glaze on top. And it just seems like it has less of the glaze.
How's the chicken?
Really good. For the first time, we think ever.
Yeah.
Chicken mini.
Well, you know, I might have had a mini years ago, but no, you know what? I don't know if I've ever had a chicken mini from here. I had a chicken biscuit for breakfast. So this is just like a dinner roll? Like, what is this little thing?
Yeah, I guess it kind of has a Hawaiian roll taste to it. I always thought that was the best part, but it doesn't seem like it.
Well, I'm getting a lot of saltiness, but I think that's the breading of the chicken, so. Okay, ooh, the bread is really good, actually. There's a sweetness of the bread that I did not catch in conjunction with the chicken itself, but the bread's actually really soft, flaky. It's almost like an English muffin, because it's a little porous. The chicken, of course, is really crispy. You know, I'm not getting a lot of that pickle brine, though.
That's why I said it is the same brine, because I didn't
It needs a pickle on it.
That would be good.
I want a pickle. I want a pickle and I want some honey to dip it into. Otherwise, it's really good. It's small for $4.
But now you can get them all day for a limited time.
I almost find that weird to be just a breakfast item.
I think so.
It's like a dinner roll with chicken, like fried chicken dinner roll, breakfast. Okay, not my breakfast, but I don't know what the hell this bread is. I like the bread, but I would like a little more of the honey butter on it, or at least some more dipping sauce. But that was our fault for assuming that they were going to be cool and put it in the bag. So this is crazy. This is our first review in the new car, and the first review of Chick-fil-A's chicken ever. It's because they don't really have anything new ever. They're like, we're Chick-fil-A, damn it. This is what we do.
We don't need anything new.
But this is technically not new, but it's like something different that they're doing that you can get this all day. So we're like, hey, it's a good excuse, right? What are you gonna give the Chick-fil-A all-day chicken mini? Are you glad it's all day?
Yes.
Are you more likely to eat this at night than you were in the morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. So that works out.
Yeah, I give it I guess a 4.8 out of 5. I mean,
out of 5.
I would give it 5, but I think it is. I mean, I guess it's kind of expensive.
No, it's better.
It's kind of small, and the honey butter was a little lacking. So I'll give it 4.5 because the honey butter was lacking.
I gotta tell you, I don't know about your Chick-fil-A's. Our Chick-fil-A's, you should go by stocking them if you live in our area because they are swamped. But there was at least 10. We have a dual drive-through here, and there's at least 10 cars in there. We got there kind of quick.
They're fast.
They're very fast and efficient. So very courteous and polite. I got some good bread. But I'm going to have to say 4.2 out of 5 for the same reasons, but it needs some more honey on there. And butter. In no particular order. Had they at least given me a dipping sauce? I didn't know that was even, I just assumed they're going to give it to me the way you're supposed to eat it, so.
It's never come with dipping sauce.
Okay.
I think it just says to dip or not to dip because this is their chicken nugget box.
Okay. But I'd like a little more honey, and I know, actually the first time I ever had honey on chicken ever was Chick-fil-A. I used to get the salad because it was a better deal. You could get a thing of chicken nuggets, 5 chicken nuggets for like $3 or $4 for like 5 chicken nuggets, or you get a salad and they put 4 chicken nuggets on it. It was the same price, and you got a whole salad with it. And it was the first time my friend's like, "You gotta have it with the honey." I was like, "Ugh," and then I was like, "That's actually really good." And then from this day on, I realized how good that was, and that led into my love affair of maple syrup. Maple syrup.
So what you like better, maple or honey?
So anyway, guys, 4.2, 4.5. That's what we think. Let us know what you think, guys. Are you going to run out and try this? Have you already tried this? And are you more inclined to try it at night opposed to breakfast? So, or morning. It's a night than breakfast opposed to dinner. Whatever. You got the point. And I hope you enjoy the new vehicle as much as we are, because this is where we're going to be from now on. If you're like, no, go back to the other one.
No, thanks.
So anyway, guys, if you would like to support us on Patreon, you can do so for as little as $1 a month. We appreciate everyone who does so because it helps us keep things going. All the Patreon stuff, all the Patreon money goes right back into Whitfield's Food Review and allows us to make sure we can do all of our food vlogging. And of course, we're now doing 5 videos a week, so this week will be no different. As well, please follow us on all these things here. I almost got banned from Instagram for defending the dog picture, you know, those rude comments about someone's dog that passed away, and I told them that they're pathetic, and I got threatened on Instagram with permanent banishment for bullying that person. Yeah, true story. So, way to go, Instagram, you suck ass. Screw you. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and all that other stuff, and that other YouTubers ask you to do, because I guess it's important, but just don't worry about us on Instagram right now. I'm not gonna post in there for a few days. I'm kind of pissed off. Besides, they're like, "We're watching you."
Oh, whatever.
I know.
So what about the person that said that?
Nothing happened to him. Yeah, the person said basically, "Eat shit and die," and your dog deserved to die because you're a piece of crap. And I said, "Wow, what a sad, pathetic loser you must be to feel the need to hurt someone like that after they're in so much pain." I got threatened with banishment for that. So anyway, guys, that's what we think. Let us know what you think. It's always something fun with us Whitfields, isn't it? So anyway, guys, so thank you, and until next time. And as always,
Life short.
eat hard.